Hello and welcome to my short introduction video to my fact sheet, Data Collection for Feasibility Studies. Two project types, different ways to collect data. In the course of the IEA Cities Task 2, Data for Urban Energy Planning. My name is Ann-Kathrin Dreyer and I am a research assistant at the Steinbeis Innovation Center Energie Plus in Braunschweig. My main topics are renewable energy concepts for neighborhoods as well as energy simulations. The process of multi-level data collection and processing is illustrated in the slide. The green data groups represent data that cannot be derived from other data. The blue data, on the other hand, can be determined with the help of literature or processes from the respective given or collected green data. Of course, the direct presence of blue data allows more detailed and realistic results. For example, it is possible to identify renovation and energy saving potential based on the building's energy status. In the next step, generated load profiles can be used as a basis of the design of heat generators and storage technologies. The maximum heating capacity is included as a required variable in the heating network design. In a relatively early stage of feasibility studies, analog or virtual site inspections must be used. Using building typologies from the technical literature, it is possible to determine the age of the building and its renovation state, as well as the heat demand characteristics. If the project is already a little more advanced, it is advisable to involve the residents as early as possible. From this step, a resident survey can then also be carried out. Both approaches can contain certain inconsistencies in the building data and involve a higher processing effort. The best database is obtained if you are commissioned with municipal heat planning. What is municipal heat planning in Germany? By 2028, all German municipalities must present a heat plan that checks local options for renewable heat supply and district heating. The collection, storage, and use of data includes the collection of final energy consumption data of gas or heat, which can be collected at utilities and public bodies. The fact sheet presents our common methods for collecting building-specific data and classifies the methods in terms of their applicability. A distinction must be made between two different purposes for which the data is collected. First, the data collection for free feasibility studies, and second, the data collection in municipal heat planning. The main message of the fact sheet is that different projects require different methods, each with its own level of detail and rules for data use. It is intended to provide an overview of the possibilities of building data collection in Germany. In addition to the methods described, there are commercial providers of geo and building databases, but usually without information about the state of renovation. The fact sheet is intended to give the international community an understanding of building data availability and its problems in Germany. If you are curious about our further work of the SEZ, find out more about our exciting projects for the energy and heat transition on our website. And thank you very much for your interest.